Hey guys, what's up? This is Phalgunn Maharishi over here from TechTree.com, and today we have a new interesting device with us from Technology and Gadgets, better known as TAG. This product is a hard disk docking station which allows you to use your hard disk drives and solid state drives without any need of plugging them inside your system's CPU. All you have to do is plug them inside the docking station, just like how you would insert a gaming cassette onto the gaming console when you were young. Then plug this docking station to your laptop or PC using a USB Type-3 connection. Technically speaking, this docking station supports standard 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch SATA I or II or III hard disk drives and solid state drives. This device also helps in exchanging data between two docked hard disk drives. Well, not just that. If you look at the device on its front side, you can find two USB 3.0 ports and a card reader. So, this can definitely work as a pretty decent all-in-one kind of a solution to many people who indulge themselves into creativity day and night. This device also comes with a couple of interesting features such as intelligent sleep function, and it is definitely worth mentioning that this docking station has a simple installation design and you wouldn't be requiring any tools to install the hard disk drives and solid state drives. It also offers data transfer at a speed of up to 5 GB per second. And guess what? It works with almost all operating systems. For a price of Rs 4000, I must say, this is a pretty useful device, especially if you are into creative works and you are running shortage of pen drives. This can definitely save your time from installing drives inside your CPU every time. Also, with this docking station, you can, from now, stop worrying about purchasing crappy casing solutions for your old hard disks. You can just plug it in here now and use it. Pretty neat. It also comes with a 1-year warranty. It is also worth noting that this docking station is pretty well built. It looks sturdy with a neat finish. It looks like it is made of fiber, and the cables also look to be of pretty good quality. Okay guys, having said this, let me make a move now and I shall get back to you with yet another video review pretty soon. This is Phalgunn Maharishi from TechTree.com signing off for now. Take care. Bye bye.